Kiddy's tree.
Hello, Mighty Minds! I'm Mimi the monkey. I'm so excited to meet the marvelous letter M.
Look, here is the big M and the little m. They look like mountains and they make a wonderful humming sound.
It's our humming sound. Can you feel your lips vibrate?
Yummy! It's milk. Milk starts with M. Say it with me. Milk. Look up high. It's the moon. Moon also starts with Let's say moon.
There goes a quick M and mouse. Mouse starts with per meter too. Try saying mouse.
Mighty work! We saw milk, the moon, and the M mouse. They all have the marvelous